Fun facts. 20 things about the rain. Driest place. The driest place on Earth isn't over the desert. The continent with the lowest rainfall is snow-covered Antarctica, which receives just 6.5 inches of rain or snow annually, making it the driest continent on Earth. In comparison, North America receives an average of 256 inches of rain annually. Phantom rain. Not all raindrops that fall from the sky reach the ground. Under specific conditions, sometimes rain can fall but never touch Earth. This occurs when rain falling from a cloud evaporates or sublimes as it draws closer to Earth's surface. When this happens, it forms what is known as virga clouds, a tail or wisp extending from a cloud in a downwards position. Smell of rain. When raindrops fall on clay on dusty soils, they trap small air bubbles on the surface, which raise upward and burst out of the droplet. This then produces pockets of scent into the air, where they are then carried by wind. This is what causes the familiar smell of rain, which is called petrichor. Raindrop shape. Raindrops are usually represented in the shape of a teardrop, but this is not true in reality. When raindrops first form high up in the atmosphere, they take on a spherical shape as the water molecules bind together, held by surface tension. As they begin to fall, their shape changes, while air resistance causes the bottom of the drop to flatten and curve, resembling the shape of a jelly bean. How long? How long does it take a raindrop to reach the ground? To provide the exact figure would be difficult. The height raindrops fall and size can differ, but following an average speed of 14 miles per hour and an average cloud height of 2,500 feet, it would take 2 minutes for a raindrop to hit the floor. Very small raindrops can take as long as 7 minutes to reach the ground, while larger droplets can fall at speeds of 20 miles per hour. Wettest place in the world. Mohsin Ram in the Meghalaya state of India takes the title for the wettest place in the world, receiving an astonishing average of 11,971 millimeters of rainfall every year, which compared to UK's 1,154 millimeters average is quite large. Predicting rainfall. Nimbostratus clouds and cumulonimbus clouds are two most common forms of clouds that produce rain. Hanging low in the sky, while appearing dark and grey, is the nimbostratus cloud. While the cumulonimbus clouds are shaped like a mountain with a dark grey base, this type of cloud is a thunderstorm cloud. These clouds also produce hail and tornadoes. Rain on other planets? Not all raindrops are made of water. Rain also consists of sulfuric acid or methane, which can also be found on other planets in the solar system. How much does rain weigh? An inch of rain can measure around 226,000 pounds in an acre of land. In every minute, 1 billion tons of rain falls on the earth. Old rain. Scientists have discovered fossils containing indentations of raindrops dating back as far as 2.7 billion years ago. According to Scientific American, the early liquid rain fell on layers of ash from volcanic eruptions, and then more ash fell on top, preserving the miniature craters from the raindrops. Interestingly, it was erosion created by more rain that exposed the rain fossils for modern study. Green grass. Rain droplets contain dissolved nitrogen that comes from the air. This free and natural fertilizer makes grass look greener after rainfall. Rain lovers. They know how to keep things in perspective. A true rain lover would never dream of freaking out about the weather. It's a few tiny raindrops, not a zombie apocalypse. They know how to look at the simple realities of life and put them in context. If you ever need someone to talk you off a ledge, go find someone who loves the rain. They will have you in your Zen place in no time. Rainbows. Rainbows normally appear from the rain, but they can happen wherever light is being bent inside of water droplets. Rainbows can be seen in mist, fog, spray, and dew. Rainbows are made up of 7 colors that come from light. These colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, and the other way spells Vibgyor. Darts. The game of dart was imagined only in light of rain. A gathering of archers, when stuck in the downpour during a competition, went to a bar where they began throwing short arrows towards a target on the wall. Rain dance. Rain dance originated from the Native American tribes, and some of them still perform it nowadays. The dancers believe they can invoke rain with their movements. Raining fish. In the town of Yoro in Honduras, it rains fish. Small silverfish fall from the sky during large storms at least once a year. What is strange is that the fish are not even local to the area. Magic? Not really. There's a scientific explanation for the rain of fish. Supposedly, they are brought to Yoro by the sea tornadoes. Creativity flows. There's a reason as to why our best thoughts come to us in the shower. We're not meant to be thinking, and therefore, we can actually think freely and courageously. We've become accustomed to believing that our best creative thoughts only arise when we are sitting at large desks in a spacious office with natural light pouring in. But perhaps our best ideas come when we take a walk in the rain, when there isn't much else to be doing or focusing our attention on. Walking in the rain. Walking in the rain burns more calories. According to some Japanese researchers in the International Journal of Sports Medicine, when a person does physical activities in cold, rainy weather, he or she burns more calories and fat than doing the same activity in moderate weather. So the next time it starts raining cats and dogs around you, grab the opportunity to get out and get soaked. However, tread with caution so you don't fall ill from excessive exposure to cold. Skincare. Rain offers a boost to your skin routine. Spend any time in a hot, arid climate, and your skin will most certainly show signs of irritation or dryness over time. But when it rains, some researchers believe that high levels of humidity in the air help keep your skin fresh, young, and supple. Frizzy hair, though, that is another story. Listen to the music. Raindrops offer unique music to those who listen. Raindrops often cling to every leaf, branch, petal, strand of silk, so that in all directions you see spots of beauty. On some leaves, the tiny beads of water collect and form patterns, while on others, the drops are repelled, running off and splashing below. A kind of music that has the potential to soothe your soul and make your heart smile. Hope you had fun reading these facts about the rain. Meanwhile, just go get wet. Have fun in the rain.